Located in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and crowned the oldest public university in the nation, welcome to another episode of Rollin' with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are at the UNC Chapel Hill campus. So y'all, the Associated Press has named the men's college basketball team here as number 7th in the nation for best college basketball teams according to the 2023-2024 basketball season. Just statistics right here if you have any questions. Dang. But y'all, we have a lot to cover today, so we're not going to waste any time. But before we do get started, I need a favor from y'all. Please hit the like button, comment, you can say hi, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. Now that that's out of the way, let's waste no more time. Let's go ahead and let's get rolling. All right, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJEN drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJEN drinks, MJENDRINKS. They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out. Purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. So our first stop today is the Student Union. Now the Student Union has 3 different floors. Each has something different to offer, from sorority and fraternity offices to student government offices. So I'm not even gonna do the talking. I'm gonna show you all around and see what the Student Union has to offer. All right, y'all, so our next stop is gonna be right behind me, and we're gonna go into the UNC student stores, and let's just go in and check it out. All right, y'all, so behind me is one of the landmarks here on campus. It is the Morehead-Patterson Bell Tower. Now, it is a functioning bell tower. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. We're built in 1931, 172 feet tall, and if you want a great leg workout, you can go ahead and climb. It's 200 something steps, and you get a little sticker at the end saying that, you know, you got your cardio in, going up and up them steps. Do you have to come back down? Is there an elevator? I don't know. Let's try it out. Please, I'm walking enough around this campus. I wish I would walk up 265 steps.
265 days a year.
That is funny. 265 days? Where the hell that bitch live at?
With a capacity of 63,000 patrons, that's right, patrons, right? Yeah, or sports watchers, I don't know. It could fit 63,000 people with these seats and of course the suites as well. We are at the Kenan Memorial Stadium, which is the home to the men's football team here at UNC Chapel Hill. It's a nice stadium. Yeah. Well, y'all, that's a wrap on UNC Chapel Hill. And that was a lot to cover, and I did the best that I could. But y'all, thank you so much, and please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. And please comment what school you want to see me go to, because I'm taking suggestions, and I'm still filming. Win-win. Like I always say, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and until the next episode, I will see you all later.